Waveful app review. Is it the best social media app for content creators? So Waveful is a new generation social media platform built specifically for content creators who want both freedom and fair monetization. So unlike traditional apps that rely heavily on ads and algorithms, Waveful focuses on user privacy, niche communities called islands, and direct revenue sharing. Its feed is chronological, so there's no shadow banning, and it's ad-free, so it gives creators a 50% share of all the profits through features like super likes, subscriptions, and challenges. So the pros of Waveful app is the creators get paid early, which is shares of 50% of revenue. There's also no ads and no algorithms, so the feed is ad-free and it's not hidden by AI. They also have a community-based experience instead of just random feeds. They also has a high content freedom, which promotes freedom of expressions, and it's privacy focused. Although, the downside is though, it has a smaller user base, since it's a newer app and doesn't have the same massive audience as Instagram or TikTok. It also has limited editing tools compared to other platforms. It's not yet fully monetized in all countries, and it requires active community engagement. So overall, it's one of the most promising social media apps for creators who are tired of algorithm games and want to be paid fairly for their content.